Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to do Exp25 Word Chapter 1 Cumulative Kite. Basically this is the first chapter or first assignment of word section of this Pearson course, and in this video I will be doing this assignment step by step, and you can get your assignment done by watching this complete video. But if you want me to do this complete assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, you can contact me and you can hire me for your complete course, including all the Word, Excel, PowerPoint or Access assignments. You can also hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all other writing assignments, mathematics, etc. So at start of the instruction, you can see the project description. So there is nothing to solve in this project description, but I suggest you to read this project description well so that you can get an idea about the assignment. Once you will go through this project description, this will be easy for you to solve this assignment, and you will get an idea assignment, and you will feel easy to get this assignment done on your own. So please go through this project description well. So then we have main part of the assignment, that is steps to perform to complete this project, and the total steps that we have to solve are 15. So we are supposed to solve 15 questions or 15 steps to get this assignment done. So in this video I will solve each and every single question. I will make you learn word as well, because I am not just going to solve the question, I am going to explain this, and you will be able to solve this assignment after watching this video. So now let's start doing the question or doing the step, starting from step number 1. Okay, so step number 1 is saying start word. Download and open the file named Exp25 Word Chapter 1 Cumulative Kite. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So as I have already downloaded this Word document, and you are supposed to download this Word document from your Pearson dashboard. And this is the Word document that we are going to solve this assignment. We will apply all the instructions to this Word document, and we will make this Word document in the final form for the submission. So step number 1 of the assignment is just about downloading of this Word document. There is nothing else to solve in step number 1. That's why we will move to next step, that is step number 2. And step number 2 is saying display non-printing characters, insert text from info.docx in the blank paragraph at the top of the last column on page. Remove the 2 blank paragraphs after the inserted text in the last column on page 1. Okay, so now we are supposed to show the non-printing characters. For this purpose, go to Home tab, and in paragraph section you can see this symbol. This is for showing and hiding the non-printing characters. Okay, click that one. So now we can see the non-printing characters in this document. So this is the first paragraph on the last column on page 1. Here we are supposed to insert the text from the info docs. So for this purpose, you will open the info docs where you have downloaded. So I will open the info docs first. Info docs. So this is the info docs. I have opened this one, and you can download this from your Pearson dashboard. Then open this, then press Ctrl A to select all the text, then Control C to copy all the text, then go to our original document, then go to this first paragraph on the last column and press Control V to paste the text here. We have pasted the text here. Now we are supposed to remove these two blank paragraphs after the text that we have just pasted. So press the backspace button 2 times. Okay, so we have removed the two blank paragraphs at the end of the pasted text. So now we will close this info doc because we don't need this anymore, and now we gonna move to next step, that is step number 3. And step number 3 is saying, by viewing a document as multi-pages, you will often identify problems with layout or placement of objects. When looking on a page in print layout view, you are less likely to consider its placement within the document as a whole, so it may be beneficial to view a lengthy document in the multiple page arrangement occasionally. View the document in multiple pages. Apply title style to the heading Kite High Flyers. Modify the title style to center alignment and bold. Return to 100% view. So first we are supposed to view this document in multiple pages. So this is our original document and we are supposed to view this document in the multiple pages. So just go to view tab here, and here you can see the multiple pages option here in zoom. So click this. So we got the original document in multiple pages view. So now we are supposed to apply title style to Kite High Flyers. Modify the title style to center alignment and bold. So select this one, that is the title Kite High Flyers. Then go to home tab and we are supposed to apply title style to this one. So go to styles. From here you should look for title, this one. Apply this title style. So now we are supposed to modify the title style so that it should be bold and centered. So right click on that and click modify. So now we are supposed to modify this title style. So it should be bold. So click on B, and also in alignment apply center alignment. Click OK. Okay, so we have applied the title style and bold to this Kite High Flyers. Okay. Now then it is saying return to 100% view. So now again we will go to view tab and we will click 100%. So we are back to 100% view now. So that is all about step number 3 of this assignment. So we are done with third step. So now let's do step number 4. And step number 4 of the assignment is saying insert a hard return after the title Kite High Flyers. So we are supposed to insert a hard return after the Kite High Flyers, and then we are supposed to type join us and exclamation mark, and then we are supposed to select join us and then change the font size of the subtitle to 20. So for this purpose go to original document, click after the Kite High Flyers and press enter. So now we have inserted a hard return here and we are supposed to type join us and exclamation mark. Okay, now we will select this subtitle join us and we are supposed to change the font size to 20 points. Okay, and that is all about step number 4, where we are supposed to insert a hard return after the title, then we are supposed to type the subtitle, that is join us, then we are supposed to change the font size for the subtitle to 20 points. Okay, now we gonna do next step of the assignment, that is step number 5. Okay, now let's do step number 5. And step number 5 is saying create a new style using the text in the first body paragraph beginning with go fly a kite, calling the new style body paragraph. The style should be available in the current document only. Apply the body paragraph style to all other body paragraphs in the document. Do not apply the style to the heading lines. Do not apply the style to the last 2 lines in the document giving contact information. So first we are supposed to create a new body paragraph using the style text in the first body paragraph. So we will select first body paragraph. This is the first body paragraph starting with go fly a kite. Select this body paragraph. So now go to home tab and you can see style option here. Click this arrow. So now we are supposed to create a new body paragraph. Okay, so for this purpose click this first option that is saying new style. Okay, now we are supposed to give name to this new body paragraph. That should be body paragraph. Okay, so we will type body paragraph here. Okay, and from here select this option only in this document. Click OK. So now you can see a new style that is body paragraph. In style option, close this one. Now next thing to do is we are supposed to apply this body paragraph to all the paragraph excluding the headings lines and the last 2 lines in the document. Okay, so we will select from here the second body paragraph up to end, ending at there. Okay, and leave the other 2 lines unselected. Okay, now go to home tab and you can see the body paragraph option here. Apply body paragraph. So in this step we created a new body paragraph and then we applied the same new body paragraph to all the body paragraphs excluding the headings and the last 2 lines in the document. And that is all about step number 5. So we have completed 5 steps of this assignment so far. Now we're going to do next step, that is step number 6. Insert a blank paragraph before the second to last line in the document. So we are supposed to insert a blank paragraph before the second to last line in the document containing the word contact. So we will go to the original document and click before the word contact, and here we are supposed to insert a blank paragraph. So for this, for the inserting a blank paragraph here, just press enter. So now you can see a blank paragraph here. We were supposed to insert a blank paragraph before the second to last line in the document. So we have inserted that. Now let's do step number 7. And step number 7 of the assignment is saying select all body paragraphs including the last 2 lines of the contact information that follow the 2 heading lines and change the number of columns to 2. Ensure that a line displays between the columns. Now you can see that original document has 3 columns, but we are supposed to change the number of columns to 2, and there should be a vertical line between these 2 columns. For this purpose we will select all the text starting from first body paragraph to the end of the document including the last 2 lines of the document. So we have selected this. Then now we will go to layout tab. Then here we are supposed to select this column option and click more columns. So now we are supposed to change all the text into 2 columns. So we will select 2 from here, but there should be a vertical line between these 2 columns. So we will check the box for the line between, this option. Okay, then click OK tab. So now you can see that we have converted all the text into two columns. There is a line between these two columns, and that is all about step number 7, where we were supposed to change the text into two columns. And now we gonna do next step of the assignment, that is step number 8. And step number 8 of the assignment is saying change the document theme to slice and change the theme color to red. If the theme is not available, use the theme file that is included in the downloaded file for this project. So now we are supposed to change the theme of the original document. So this is our original document. Then just go to design layout, click the theme, and these are the different themes. But we are supposed to select slice theme for this one. So click on slice. Now we are supposed to change the color for the theme to red. So go to colors and from here select red. So we have changed the theme of the document to the slice. Then we have changed the theme of the colors to the red, and that is all about step number 8. So we have solved 8 steps for this assignment. Now let's do next step of the assignment, that is step number 9. And step number 9 of this assignment is saying an informal document like a flyer often includes a page border for a bit of color and style. Add a box page border, selecting the third line style, that is the dashed slice. The color is orange accent 2 and the line weight is 1 point. Apply the page border to the whole document. So now in this step we are supposed to include a page border to the whole document, and the line style for the page border is given, that is the third line style, and the weight for the line is given, that is 1 point, and the orange accent 2 should be the color of the line. So we will go to original document, then go to design tab again, and here you can see page background options. From here select page borders. So now from here select box and select the third line, that is the dashed style, third line, and from here we are supposed to change the color to orange accent 2. So select orange accent 2 from here, and the weight for the line is given in the instruction, that should be 1 point. So we are applying page border, that should be box, the third line style, orange accent 2 color, and 1 point is the line weight. Then from apply option we will select whole document because we are supposed to apply page border to the whole document. So click OK. So now you can see that we have applied page border to this whole document as required in step number 9 of this assignment. So we have solved 9 steps. So in this video I have solved 9 steps for you out of 14 steps. That is almost 70 to 75% of the assignment that I have solved for you. But if you want me to do this complete assignment for you, my WhatsApp number and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. Please reach me out through WhatsApp or email and hire me for your courses, including all the Word, Excel, PowerPoint or Access assignments. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will get back to you with another useful solution. Thank you so much again.